The T-80 tank, a formidable and innovative machine of war, continues to command attention in military circles as we look ahead to 2026. With a legacy that stretches back to the Cold War era, the T-80 remains a key element of armored warfare, not only because of its historical significance but also due to its continuous evolution and relevance on the modern battlefield. Originally developed in the Soviet Union in the late 1970s, the T-80 was the first production tank to be powered by a gas turbine engine, setting it apart from its contemporaries and contributing to its reputation for speed and agility. As of 2026, the T-80 and its various upgraded models, including the T-80 BVM, remain in active service, particularly within the Russian Federation's military. The modernization programs have kept the tank viable by integrating advanced electronics, armor enhancements, and weaponry upgrades. The T-80's core design, featuring a low-profile, composite armor, and a powerful 125mm smoothbore gun, continues to make it a formidable adversary in conventional armored engagements. However, it's the tank's versatility and adaptability that truly define its value in the current military landscape. One of the defining features of the modern T-80 is its propulsion system. The gas turbine engine, while more expensive and complex to maintain than traditional diesel engines, gives the T-80 an exceptional power-to-weight ratio. This allows for rapid acceleration and maneuverability, particularly in cold and rugged terrains where other tanks might struggle. In regions like Siberia and Eastern Europe, where extreme weather conditions prevail, the T-80's turbine engine provides a significant tactical advantage. In fact, this engine allows for near-instant starting in freezing conditions, something diesel engines are often ill-equipped to handle efficiently. Modernized variants such as the T-80 BVM are equipped with cutting-edge KONTAKT-5 explosive reactive armor and the Sosna U fire control system, enhancing both survivability and combat effectiveness. These updates ensure that the T-80 can effectively counter not only traditional threats like enemy armor but also more modern dangers such as anti-tank guided missiles and drone-based attacks. The integration of thermal imaging and improved targeting systems enables effective combat both day and night, giving T-80 crews a significant edge in fast-moving, high-intensity conflicts. Despite being an older platform at its core, the T-80's upgrades have allowed it to keep pace with newer main battle tanks like the T-90M and even the NATO standard Leopard 2 and M1A2 Abrams in certain aspects. Its speed and mobility, in particular, are often superior, which can be critical in flanking maneuvers or rapid response scenarios. Additionally, the tank's relatively small size makes it a harder target for enemy fire, and its autoloader system reduces crew requirements compared to tanks that need a fourth crew member to load the gun manually. In 2026, the geopolitical landscape continues to be volatile, with regional conflicts and hybrid warfare tactics becoming more prevalent. In such an environment, the T-80's role is not only to provide frontline firepower but also to serve as a symbol of deterrence and mobility. The tank's presence in combat zones, from Eastern Europe to the Caucasus, reflects its strategic importance to nations seeking to maintain a credible armored force without investing in entirely new tank development programs. However, the T-80 is not without its criticisms. Its gas turbine engine, while offering excellent performance, is notoriously fuel-hungry, leading to logistical challenges during extended operations. Maintenance of the turbine engine is also more demanding than conventional systems, requiring specialized training and support infrastructure. Furthermore, while its armor and weaponry have been upgraded, the fundamental design remains several decades old, raising questions about its long-term viability against fifth-generation warfare threats, including unmanned systems and advanced precision-guided munitions. Nonetheless, as of 2026, the T-80 remains a testament to the effectiveness of thoughtful modernization and the enduring value of robust engineering. Its continued deployment, particularly in Russia and several allied nations, underscores its strategic utility in modern warfare. With further upgrades on the horizon and a clear role in hybrid combat strategies, the T-80 continues to prove that even legacy platforms can retain their edge on the evolving battlefield. The story of the T-80 is far from over, and in the years ahead, it may continue to surprise those who underestimate the power of a well-updated war machine.